Welcome to Future Cars Updates. If you're a fan of high-performance hypercars, you're in for a treat because today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2026 McLaren P1 Successor. This is the car that aims to redefine speed, aerodynamics, and hybrid technology, pushing the limits of what a hypercar can achieve. McLaren shook the automotive world when they introduced the P1 back in 2013. With its aggressive styling, Formula One-inspired aerodynamics, and a powerful hybrid powertrain, the P1 set new standards in the hypercar category. It was McLaren's ultimate road-going machine, competing with legends like the Ferrari LaFerrari and the Porsche 918 Spider. But now, over a decade later, McLaren is preparing to unleash its next big masterpiece, a hypercar that will build upon the P1's legacy while embracing the future of performance engineering. So, what can we expect from this next-generation beast? Let's start with the powertrain. According to leaked reports and insider information, the 2026 McLaren P1 Successor will feature an advanced hybrid system, combining a high-revving twin-turbo V8 engine with an electric motor. This setup could easily push the total power output beyond 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful McLarens ever built. Unlike the original P1, which had a 3.8-liter V8, the new version is rumored to use a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, possibly derived from the McLaren Sabre. But here's where things get really interesting: the electric component of the powertrain is expected to be far more advanced than anything we've seen in a McLaren before. With improvements in battery technology, the new P1 Successor could offer a more significant electric-only range, making it not just a track monster but also an efficient machine for short-distance driving. McLaren is likely to use cutting-edge solid-state battery technology, allowing for faster charging, better energy storage, and lighter weight. Now, let's talk about aerodynamics, an area where McLaren always excels. The original P1 was famous for its active aerodynamics, including an adjustable rear wing and DRS-like functionality. The 2026 Successor will take this to the next level, featuring an even more aggressive aero package. Spy shots and early teaser images suggest that McLaren is working on a car with a low-slung, wide-body design, massive air intakes, and an advanced rear diffuser. The active aerodynamics will not only enhance downforce but also improve efficiency at high speeds. When it comes to the chassis, expect nothing less than a state-of-the-art carbon fiber monocoque. McLaren is known for using lightweight materials, and the next-generation P1 will likely feature an upgraded version of their monocage structure, making the car incredibly rigid yet lightweight. This, combined with advanced suspension technology, will ensure razor-sharp handling, keeping McLaren's signature driving dynamics intact. Inside the cabin, McLaren will maintain its driver-focused approach. The cockpit will be minimalist yet packed with high-tech features. A fully digital instrument cluster, a heads-up display with augmented reality, and an F1-inspired steering wheel are all possible additions. McLaren could also integrate AI-driven performance settings, adjusting suspension, aerodynamics, and power delivery in real time based on driving conditions. So, how fast will this hypercar be? While official numbers haven't been released yet, experts predict that the P1 Successor could hit 0 to 60 mph in under 2.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. The combination of an ultra-lightweight body, insane horsepower, and advanced aerodynamics will ensure that this car is nothing short of a rocket on wheels. Production numbers are expected to be highly limited, possibly around 375 units, similar to the original P1. As for the price, well, don't expect it to be cheap. The 2026 McLaren P1 Successor will likely have a starting price of over $2 million, making it one of the most exclusive hypercars on the market. With McLaren's commitment to innovation and performance, the upcoming P1 Successor is set to be an engineering masterpiece, combining raw power with cutting-edge hybrid technology. It's a car that will not only honor McLaren's legendary past but also pave the way for the future of hypercars. What do you think about McLaren's next flagship hypercar? Will it live up to the legacy of the P1, or will it redefine the game entirely? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Cars Updates for more exciting content on upcoming supercars and hypercars. See you in the next video.